In Zulu culture, food is never just about eating, it's about connecting with our roots. One of the most fascinating parts of our cuisine is fermentation, a natural science that's been part of our homes for generations. Welcome to Mzansi ZuluMama, where we explore the beauty of Zulu culture, one story at a time. Before refrigerators and modern storage, our ancestors mastered the art of fermentation. Using time, warmth, and patience, they turned simple ingredients into powerful foods that could last for days and even heal the body. In Zulu homes, fermented foods are a symbol of resourcefulness, respect for nature, and connection to the earth's rhythm. Amasi, thick, creamy, and tangy, is fermented milk loved across generations. It's made by leaving fresh milk in a clay pot or calabash. It transforms naturally into a probiotic-rich meal. It's not only nutritious, it's sacred, served to honored guests, ancestors, and children alike. In Zulu culture, Amasi represents nourishment, purity, and care. Then there is Uqombothi, the traditional Zulu beer brewed from sorghum and maize. It's cloudy, foamy, and full of life, much like the celebrations it's part of. Uqombothi is brewed not just for taste, but for unity, because it's shared at weddings, ancestral ceremonies, and harvest gatherings. It connects people to each other and to the spirit world. Modern science now confirms what our ancestors already knew. Fermented foods support digestion, strengthen immunity, and preserve nutrients naturally. But for the Zulu, fermentation is more than science. It's a rhythm of life. It teaches patience, balance, and respect for what nature gives freely. So, next time you enjoy Amasi or sip Uqombothi, remember, you are tasting wisdom passed down through generations. If you love discovering the depth of Zulu traditions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Ngiyabonga for watching, and stay tuned for more cultural gems from Mzansi ZuluMama. Nisale kahle.